Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have partnered with FabFitFun again. I will be showing you what is in the 2019 spring box. In case you are not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box service, so they come 4 times per year. They are filled with products that are full size and they range from beauty, wellness, fashion, lifestyle, and each of the boxes retail for $49.99, but every season they are valued at over $200, so you get a lot of great products inside. And if you've never gotten a FabFitFun box before, you can actually get your first box for $10 off using my code BRIT10. I will have it on the screen here as well as listed in the description box below along with the actual website. You can also customize what's in your box now, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my spring 2019 box. I'm really excited to see what's in there. So yeah, definitely check it out, sign up for it if you haven't done that yet, and use my discount code. And if you want to see what's in the spring 2019 FabFitFun box, then just keep watching. I always really love to see what each of the boxes look like because they always look different every season, and this one is super cute. It looks so spring and I'm really excited because it's reminding me that warmer weather is actually coming. And on the very bottom here, it usually says what foundation FabFitFun is working with for that season, and it says it's in support of the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. And it always comes with a magazine that tells you a little bit about what's in the box this season, as well as different stories that are inspirational and a little bit more about whatever foundation or organization they're working with that season. And there's horoscopes too. I love horoscopes. Let me know in the comments below what zodiac you are. I'm a Libra. They also include things like gift cards and promo codes in here, so there's a $50 off gift card for HelloFresh. The first thing I see in here is a bottle by Swell. This is a Sip by Swell bottle. I've actually wanted a Swell bottle for a very long time, so this is really cool. This one keeps your beverage hot or cold. I love that. I usually always drink like super cold water, and they're really good to take to like fitness classes and stuff. And this says it retails for $19.99. Next in here is a leave-in conditioner from Way Hair Care. I love this brand for hair care. It is cruelty-free and they have so many good smelling products. I've tried quite a few of them, mostly just like small travel size things. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm actually in need of a new leave-in conditioner, so this came at a really good time for me. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. I really like that this helps with like protecting your hair whenever you're heat styling. I will definitely use this a lot, and it says it retails for $26. The next thing in here is fitness related. This is by the brand 11 by Venus Williams, and it is a jump rope. And it looks like you can go to the tv.fabfitfun.com to look at different videos, I guess, of her actually showing you like workouts and stuff to do. I would love to get back into jump roping because it is a really, really good workout. This jump rope retails for $15. Okay, next thing I see in here is from the brand called Rene Girard. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. I obviously don't know much about it, but this is called the Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It is formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin, and it apparently retails for $24. It smells fruity, but also kind of florally at the same time. It smells really good, and I also like how it looks. Next in here is a product from Lavido, inspired by nature. This is an aromatic body lotion with mandarin orange and bergamot. On the back it says it's vegan, gluten-free, and recyclable, and I don't know too much about this brand either. Really light and moisturizing, and definitely smells citrusy, but also kind of like earthy at the same time. This retails for $19. This next item is very exciting. I see this brand everywhere. So this is the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe. This is so pretty. I love the floral pattern. The colors are really nice. I actually really like to have like these types of dressing gowns. I have done a few dance shows, and when you're getting ready backstage, it's always nice to have something to like cover up your costume and just keep you a little bit warmer. So it is so perfect. I'm 100% gonna be using it all the time. And this retails for $84. So this is a really great thing to get in this box. This next item is from from Dr. Brandt, and it was actually brought to my attention in another video that Dr. Brandt is not actually cruelty-free, and for some reason I thought it was. So afterwards I looked it up, and no, it is not cruelty-free. But anytime I get things like this, I literally just give them away. There's already so many other things in here that I use. So this will be going to a friend or my mom. This is the Needles No More No Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Sounds like it would be really nice. This reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles with the breakthrough solution, and it retails for $42. So somebody will be very happy to get this. And the last thing in here I was really excited to see. It's from one of my favorite skincare brands. It's Korres. This is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I love the smell of their Wild Rose line too. It smells so good and fresh, and of course florally. This also apparently has turmeric extract and hyaluronic acid, and it retails for $48. So that is everything in the spring 2019 FabFitFun box. I really loved it. I'm really excited to try a lot of the things in there. And if you have not checked it out, definitely check out the link in the description below. And if you do decide to get a FabFitFun box for the first time, then don't forget to use my code BRIT10 for $10 off. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for working with me again in this video, and I hope you did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!